Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we're going to talk about our assignment, which is a statistical analysis of shuttle bus and off-campus bus arrival at Dewan Kuliah Pusat UC bus stop using run test and spearmint correlation. Okay, there's a 4 group members, and the first one is a Nurul Iva. The second one is a Nur Asfa. The third one is a Nurul Dahlia, and the fourth one is a me, Ahmad Syafiq.
Population and sample. Our population is all UC shuttle buses and off-campus buses that arrive at Dewan Kuliah Pusat UC bus stop. We use our sample is 15 recorded bus arrive at Dewan Kuliah Pusat UC bus stop.
Okay, there is two objectives. The first one is a test of randomness to determine whether the sequence of buses arrival from the in-campus and off-campus is random using the run test. And for the spearmint correlation is to examine the correlation between the time of bus arrival and the number of passengers using spearmint correlation method. So for the significance of study, so for the test of randomness, there is two, which is operational efficiency and service planning. For the spearmint correlation, there is also two, demand prediction and the schedule optimization.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Darwati binti Magani. For instrument of study, we have two main components, which is data collection and data analysis. The instrument used for data collection is an observation and the mode of recording is manual. Next, we move to data analysis. For data analysis in chapter 7 and 8, we use both manual calculation and software tools. Software that we use for chapter 7 and chapter 8 is Silent.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Kuliah binti Muhammad. I will explain about our data collection. Our data collection is using observation form. Our method is manual. Overall, our observation we do at Thursday at 12 June 2025. In our observation form, the data we collected is expected time arrival for bus, time arrivals for bus, and we observe the time in minutes. We collect number of passengers and type of bus, which we have off-campus bus we label as O, and shuttle bus we label as X.
My name is Nur Asfa Shazwani. Now I will continue to data analysis for test of randomness. The data we need are time, number of passengers, and type of bus to check the sequence of bus arrival. For the calculation, step 1 hypothesis. H null is type of bus are random between 1 and 30 minutes. H alternative is type of bus are not random. For the critical value, from the run table, we get the critical value of R is 4 and 13. Step 3, test statistic. We know that 1 until 4 is reject H null, 5 until 12 do not reject H null, 13 until 15 reject H null. Step 4, decision. Since R equal to 10, we do not reject the null hypothesis. Lastly, conclusion. We conclude that type of bus are random between 1 and 30 minutes.
Okay, for the data analysis, based on the result that we got from the manual calculation, we convert it using software, which is Highlight. So the number of campus O is 8, number of shuttle S is 7, total number of run is 10. So for the conclusion, do not reject H null, the sequence is random. Same as the manual calculation.
Now, I will explain about our data analyzation for chapter 8, spearmint correlation, using manual calculation. We use table to rank the data for time and passengers, so we can calculate the difference for rank for each data to get our test statistic. Step 1, our hypothesis. Hypothesis null is rho equal to 0. Hypothesis alternative is rho not equal to 0. Our step 2 is critical value. By using 0.05 level of significance from the spearmint critical value table, we get 0.525. Step 3, our test statistic. From the data at table, we insert in the computer and get 0.0857. For our decisions, therefore, our test statistic 0.0857 is smaller than our typical value, which is 0.521. So we do not reject the non-hypothesis. Our conclusion is we can conclude that there is no correlation between time and number of passengers in the bus. Then we use Scilab to analyze our data. The output we get is our sample size n equal to 15, our significant level A equal to 0.05, our Spearman correlation coefficient equal to 0.086, and our critical value from table is 0.519. We got the conclusion, which is the correlation is not significant at A equal to 0.05. Hence, we can see that our software solution get the same answer with our manual calculation.
For conclusion, we can conclude that type of bus are random between 1 and 30 minutes using the run test. Additionally, there is no correlation between bus time arrival and the number of passengers at 0.05 level of significant using Spearman correlation. Overall, the study adds to the improvement of the quality and efficiency of the UPSI transportation system. The data gathered through statistical analysis can be useful to transportation planners and university administrators in making informed decisions to increase student mobility, reduce waiting time, and optimize the use of available transport facilities. So, this is the list of references we use. Next, we have included an attachment. To view more pictures and videos, you may access the link provided. That's all from our group. Thank you.